This is Wesley billion dollar Virgin with another way to make money on the computer. Okay, make money online here. I'm going to show you live in this video here, okay, look at me, how to share a YouTube video and get paid money, okay? It's a brand new website, and I want you to pay attention, okay? Listen, disclaimer, this won't make you rich, okay? But it will create passive income. All right, so check it out. If you're brand new to my channel, my name is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin here. And listen, I started from the outhouse to the penthouse. I was broke like everybody, right? Poor. I wasn't poor, but I'm a young black kid from the hood in Houston, Texas here. And I've learned how to make money online. And now I'm teaching you how to make money online for free. That means you don't have to invest any money. I've invested hundreds of thousands of dollars to learn the knowledge that I have here today. And what I'm going to show you is probably the most easiest way to make money online, just by going to a video like this. Boom, you click on the freaking video, you go right here, you hit the share button, and you will get paid. And listen, I'm going to show you proof on how this works. I ask you to do a couple of things. Go ahead and like and sub to my YouTube channel on Wesley Virgin on YouTube if you want more videos. Every day I upload a new way to make money online. All right, step one, you go to youtube.com, okay? That's simple. Now, what you want to do on YouTube, you want to find categories that are very, very popular, okay? For example, losing weight. That's very popular because everybody wants to lose weight, probably you, right? Maybe you have a big old belly, right? That's cool. But that's not cool. You need to lose that weight fast, right? So how to lose weight fast. Now, this is a category that's very popular. Now, listen, write this down. See, many people, they skip through the video and they miss very, very valuable facts and information so they can start making money. You got to pay attention. You must only choose categories on YouTube for you to start getting paid like tonight and start making money online. You have to choose and select very popular niches and categories on YouTube. Does that make sense? Okay. You have to make sure this is important. If not, you're going to make $0. Okay. How to lose weight fast is very popular here. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that. Now, step number 2, you have to make sure, listen, write this down, please. Okay. You have to ensure that you're selecting videos on YouTube that have millions of views, like this one. Okay. 7 tips on how to lose weight fast for teenagers. This is some backdoor stuff, actually. Like, people pay a lot of money to get access to this, and I don't think it's fair. I think some stuff you should pay for, but stuff like this, you should get for free. Okay. So you click here, pause it, hit the share button here. Okay. Copy that. And you want to take that link and put it somewhere on a notepad. So, okay, so put it on a notepad. Is everybody with me so far? I'm going to move very slow. Are you with me? You just share that, right? You copy the link. You need to save these links. I'm going to tell you what to do with these links in a second here. So you go back again. And remember, we're only searching for videos. They get millions of views, 6.2 million. How to lose weight fast, 10 kilograms in 10 days. Okay, great. Okay.
Hey guys.
Share that. Okay, copy again. So what we're going to do here, we're going to go through about 10 or 20 videos here, okay? Now, I'm not going to do that in this video here because you can do that because you're willing to do the work, right? How many of you are willing to do the work? I want you to say, I will take action now. That's important. Comment below, I will take action now, okay? It's no sense of me showing you this if you don't take massive action. That's what millionaires do. Poor people, average, they don't take action. They're lazy, okay? So what you do is you go get about 10 or 15, if not 20 videos. And listen, it's all depending on how much money you want to get paid. If you want to get paid a ton of money, I do 100 videos. Like, if I was broke right now, listen, people ask me all the time, Wesley, what if you wasn't a millionaire? See, if all your money was gone, you had no cars, no houses, no nothing, what would you do? Well, if I was doing this technique, I would do 1,000 videos, me personally. That's just what I would do because I like money and I need money now, right? But it all depends on you and your work ethic, okay? But you want to go through here and you want to find videos that are 1 million plus, okay? And you want to copy them, the link, the share link, okay? Now listen, that's just one niche. There's many niches that you can use. I will give you more as you continue to watch this video here, okay? Because people ask me every day how to make money online and how to do it quickly and how to do it for free. It doesn't take any money to do this. Okay. Now, after you do that, you want to go to a little site by the name of OK.o. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to log out here. Hold on, give me a second. You want to go to this site. Go ahead and copy that. I'll wait for you. Copy that, please. Come on. And I know some of you say, oh, there's a lot of video. Hey, listen, let me tell you something. It's a grind, but it works. And people are making tons of money. Look, pay rates here, payout rates, okay? So as you can see here, go ahead and smash the like button because your boy Wesley Virgin ensured that he did a video worldwide. You guys been leaving in the comment section, say, Wesley, can you do a worldwide video, please? Well, it's worldwide. Look at that. These are the countries, and these are the payouts. So they're going to pay you $5, $4, and that's per $1,000, per 1,000 uploads here, okay? Per 1,000 views, they're gonna pay you $5 and $3, and I'm gonna show you how to get thousands of views like crazy by the click of a button, okay? But listen close. They're gonna pay you out of Bitcoin, they're gonna pay you in PayPal and Skrill. Are you with me so far? Okay, $5 doesn't that's a minimum payout. They can pay you up to $20 every time someone shares a video, okay? And just pay attention here. Some of you are like moving too fast. Slow down. Okay, listen to everything first. So that's the minimum payout is $5, but it can pay up to $20. Okay, and these are all the countries that they basically pay out to. Okay, are you with me so far? So what I'm going to do is, all you need to do is this: go to sign up, and here's the website. I'm sorry, OK.o.com. Okay, OK.io. That's it. That's the website. It's free to sign up. You put your username in here, email, password again. As long as you're not a robot, you're good to go. So I'm going to go log into my account here. So I'm going to log in here. Can everybody see this? If you can see this clearly, say, Wesley, I can see this clearly here, okay? Or just smash the like button. Just let me know. I want to make sure I move slow enough so you understand it because I want you making money right now. You're going to take this information. You're going to make money. Even if you made $100 a day, that's $3,000 per month. And guess what? With $3,000 per month, you don't have to work a job that pays you $10 an hour anymore, okay? Sign in. My username is billionaires, okay? Because I'm a billionaire. That's just what it is, okay? So what you want to do is this. Now pay attention. Now this is where it makes it a little tricky for you, okay? This is the withdraw button. Whenever you want to withdraw your money, as the money starts to get accumulated here, okay? You see that? The money, it will start to stack up quickly, but just pay attention. I'm going to show you some magic here, okay? Then once that money start popping in here, but the question is this, well, Wesley, how do we make the money? Easy. Go back to YouTube here. Let's go back to this video here, okay? Pause it. Now I want to hit the share button here, okay? And I want to copy that. You with me? You go back here, you put your URL right here, okay? Because what you want to do is you want to shorten the URL because every time a person basically clicks on that, okay? Every time you share that, they're going to share that, okay? You're going to get paid, all right? You hit shorten, okay? See that right there? Boom, 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 boom. So every time people are clicking on this, man, people are, and you know, the crazy part is this. All they have to do is just view it. That's crazy, right? Just click on it, boom. You make money, but you want thousands of people because you want to make a ton of money, not a little money, okay? You got bills to pay, so you want to copy that, okay? And you want to do the same thing. Look, you go to all the videos. Remember what I said in the beginning? Go to 20 videos. It's up to you. Understand this. The more videos that you shorten, the more money you're going to make. Does that make sense? It's up to you. Okay? The more videos that, let me say this very slow. The more videos that you shorten on this site, the more money you will make. So it's up to you. Okay? Make sense? It's up to you. All right, so great. So let's assume that we have like 20 of these links, all right? You'll be able to see your statistics. You'll see your links will be here as well. You'll see your stats here. Look at that. You can copy there. Now, the question is this. Okay, Wesley, where do I put the links so I can start getting people to take a look at it so I can start getting paid here? Okay, you want to go to google.com and type in top weight loss forums. Now, understand, this is only for the niche. This is only for the niche, the weight loss niche, okay? This is what I'm doing this specifically for, okay? Specifically, this is for this niche, which is weight loss. And you click on this button here, and it's going to show you the top weight loss forums. What you want to do, because it's free, by the way, because that's what you want. You want free ways to make money online, correct? Well, this is free. It costs no money. You just need work ethic, okay? Muscle, work ethic. That's it. Weight loss forum here. You want to sign up for free. Weight loss center forum, sign up for free. 3 fat chicks, sign up for free. African weight loss forum, sign up there for free. Like, sign up for free on every forum that you possibly can, okay? And understand this, the more forums that you sign up for, the more possibility for you to make money, okay? Now, once you sign up for the forums, the great thing about forums, you can post things on forums for free to thousands and hundreds of thousands of people, okay? This one is very popular. I do suggest this for sure. 3 Fat Chicks, they have hundreds of thousands of people that log in every single day, okay? Are you with me so far? Now, this is what you do. Yeah, I did say fat. Well, that's what it says. I mean, yeah, it says 3 Fat Chicks. Listen, that's the website. That is not, I'm not, Wesley Virgin is not calling anybody fat. That's what it says. Look, 3 Fat Chicks. It is a very popular weight loss site. They make a ton of money, by the way. Okay, check them out. So this is what you're going to do. I'm going to give you a script. Go ahead and smash the like button if I'm giving you value so far. Go ahead and smash the like button. Here's the script that you need to copy right now. And if you smash the like button right now, I know what you're thinking. Wesley Virgin, I love you. I know you do, but don't stop loving me. Let me give you more value first. This is the script that you want to use, okay? Specifically for that niche, okay? Many diets have you feeling hungry, dissatisfied, and hangry, which is why I went online and found the most easiest way to lose weight fast. But before I share it with you, how many pounds do you want to lose, right? So when people see that, obviously they're going to click on one of these links. Guess what? These are your links. You would have thousands of people that would do this from these weight loss forums, okay? Does that make sense? From these weight loss forums here. I'm going to give you this script for free. This is yours, okay? I'm going to leave it in the bio or in the comments below, okay? Does that make sense? Are you guys with me here? Is everybody with me? Comment the word, let's go! Right? I want you to be enthusiastic because you're getting ready to start making money online. You'll see how easy, like, listen, you know, the people that focus on this and actually do it and stay really laser focused and do this, they will never work a job again. And they'll be the people that'll be traveling around the world and they'll give me thanks because of a video like this that I did for free that you actually took action on and you just did it instead of being skeptical and just, you know, being disgruntled. You're just going to do it. So this is it. You put your web links here, okay? So everybody with me so far, okay? Comment the word, let's go. Smash the like button if you want this script. I will leave it in the description below, okay? And basically, guess what? That's all you do. That's it, okay? That's it. And as people start to click and start downloading here, they start doing views, you start getting paid in your account right here. Love you guys so much. This is Wesley, billion dollar version. Let's go!